So I'm all about living a healthy lifestyle, you know, taking care of yourself and taking care of your body and being healthy. And part of that is working out and fitness and eating good, healthy food. And part of that is good, healthy skincare and being conscious of how you're taking care of your skin and what you're putting on your skin. So that's why I decided to try out some products from a company called Hugh and Grace. So the box just came, so let's see what we have. Let's see here. Here's some stuff. It smells really good. I smell it as soon as I open the box. Thank goodness. So this is the Purifying Cleansing Bar. You're going to use it like a soap bar, like body wash, and wash your hands with it. You can like take a shower with it and stuff like that. It smells really good. And this is body oil, like lotion. It's protecting body oil, so it's like some moisturizing lotion and stuff like that. So. Beautiful. It smells really good. I'm going to try some. I'm going to put some in my hand here. Okay, and this is, so that's like protecting body oil, so it can be like moisturizing lotion and stuff like that. And this is the night serum for your face for overnight stuff. And this one is face serum just for like during the day. So this one is night serum for overnight. And this one is just a face serum for like anytime. So that's what we have here, and I really seriously opened the box and I could smell it. And it smells so good. So I'm excited to try these and see how they do, and I'll let y'all know.